over here, they're quiet. But we don't. They're aren't they quiet? Some lions resort. They have really strong teeth that chew on balls. Really strong claws. So no one's allowed in there yet? Until tomorrow?
Nope.
What did you say? No one's allowed in there right now?
Correct.
Or tomorrow?
Nope.
Today?
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning, they'll be awake. They're still awake.
Okay, you ready to go back to camp?
No, not yet. They're so quiet. They look so tired. They look like they want to eat us. Nuh-uh.
I think they would probably eat you. If they got a chance to, they would probably eat you for a snack.
Or dinner. While you're in their cage.
Mm-hmm.
If it's a baby cub, they won't eat you.
Right.
They would be nice and friendly.